Home inspections are crucial when buying or selling a home, and negotiations regarding essential repairs can be challenging. In this video, we'll discuss the necessary steps for effectively navigating home inspection negotiations to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Comprehending the home inspection process. To negotiate the sale of a home effectively, both buyers and sellers must first understand the home inspection process. A professional inspector assesses the property's condition, identifies necessary repairs, and provides a detailed report. Examining the inspection report. After receiving the inspection report, pay close attention to the areas of concern. Common issues discovered during inspections include structural problems, electrical issues, roof damage, to name a few. Identify necessary repairs. Realistic repair expectations from both buyers and sellers are crucial. Buyers should prioritize safety and structural concerns, while sellers must address legitimate issues. Starting the negotiation process. During negotiations, it's essential to address critical issues first, compromise on minor repairs, and offer credit for repairs or complete them before closing. Try to keep an open communication throughout the process. Achieving a mutually beneficial agreement. When negotiating, outcomes may include the seller completing all requested repairs or provide credit for the buyer to handle repairs after closing, or the buyer may assume responsibility for some or all repairs. Navigating home inspection negotiations requires understanding, communication, and compromise. Prioritizing essential repairs and safety concerns lead to a mutually beneficial agreement for a successful home buying or selling experience.